Hello fam, glad you could join us. On today's fun segment, we have this problem. 21 to the power x minus 6 to the power x equals 405, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 405 into two numbers such as 27 times 15. Next, we are going to break down 27 into the summation of 21 plus 6 and express 15 as 21 minus 6. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 21 to the power 2 minus 6 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Smash that like button and subscribe to keep the content coming.